Now, morning everyone. Well, actually, if you check the clock, which clock? Well, you check the clock, it is 2:20, and we're going up the allotment. But I was thinking, what little jobs to kind of do up the allotment, and I think I've got me hut. You know me kind of hut when I was doing all the putting the little hooks on to keep everything nice and tidy. There's a problem. Just as might be, I don't know, but I'm thinking, oh, I might have done that wrong. And you're wondering what this is for. This is me hoe. It's kind of one of those wolf garden ones. But I brought it down from my shoulder. Because old man doing me kind of physiotherapy on my shoulder, wrong arm. That one. So let's go up the garden. And hopefully, not because I've got one just tiny little job to hopefully do. Right, since I record that last little bit there, it's probably been about, say, 4 minutes, no longer, than I've walked up here and I've went and forgot that bloody stick, the actual gardening tool. I forgot it. So we're up here. I'm just having a little quick look in. I still never got round to dumping that, but that's going to be a must there. But I'm going to show you what my problem is. I've been taking some photographs. Are you coming, Daisy? Of the garden, and you know, I mean, to do like a little bit of a montage. And I'm not going to change the photographs, but I've noticed the bricks. Can you see there? And there's like a cloth that I used, and in some of the shots it's there, and I'm thinking that's just me being lazy and dang it. But I've got I think I've got a problem with this, because I put all that there. I can't get up on that side, because what I'm going to intentionally do today is see if I can just I've just up there is try and peel off some of that dripping stuff, you know, all the kind of the bitumen. So I don't think, and the more I look at it now, I don't think my ladders are going to work from there, you know, that's getting in. So younger guys will be able to kind of jump up here, but I've got my ladders all nicely done here. But see, actually, would that be a problem if I just rested them? There was that much clutter here the last time. Let's put a little chalk. See, I'm not actually on there. I'm on there. I'm resting on there, and there's some poundage. That's where I need to be. Right there. Right. Steady there, lad, steady. So this, obviously this felt has had some grip on it. Right. Come with me. Well, I'll show you. I want to throw them bricks down as well. Can you see? And I've got like a little knife somewhere. You'd think I'd be sick of being up here. And I am, to be honest. Right. You stay there. She's well away, don't worry. Because I showed you last time that it was dry in the hut, so I just wanted to finish. These are, you know, like the little jobs you don't finish off. She's just sitting in I can't show you, but she's just sitting in a normal little seat. Oh, right. So what I'm hoping for is if I can just cut that, and this'll Nah. Oh yeah. I'll show you. It doesn't really work. I'm gonna have to leave it like that. See, my plan was, if I can just get if you can see, my plan was to simply cut these and then pick them off, but it's still sticky, and I've got a feeling it'll stay sticky for a long time. I mean, it would have been just nice to finish it off. I mean, it's not desperate, but you know, I would like to have took that off. I might have a problem with these ladders, and it ends up the ladders aren't a problem. See, I've just put a bit of a chock on one side of the, can you see there? But that's all right. But I've never used that stuff, and it's still like gummy bear tacky, do you know? So, but anyway, at least I've got that off anyways. Watch out. Oh, come on. Any suggestions? This is the next big one to get done. So, man, I've got to go. I told myself I had to bring this down for a padlock that's sticking. Oh, it's just like, don't like that. I wanted to get that done. I wanted, you know, the satisfaction of like kind of just peeling it off anyways. Right, look after yourselves. Take good care.